Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss on weekly, daily and 15 minutes analysis over Bank Nifty and Nifty. First I have opened Bank Nifty chart in weekly time frame. Let me show you how the scenarios has been forming. You can see here previously the market was in clearly downtrend. After that we got a breakout. A breakout has been tested all-time high. Then again it came to retest. Let's see till where it has been retested. When I have used fib retracement tool, it is showing that it has tested 38% zone as of now, right? It has tested this region and taking rejection from here and started to move upside, but still there is no good confirmation that it will move upside continuously. Let me show you on daily time frame once how this will affect. See, now I have moved to daily time frame. Now in the daily time frame it is clearly showing a downtrend scenario. I have marked this resistance line from where it is taking rejections continuously. And what is this rejection line means? When I apply a fib retracement tool from top to bottom, let me use. When we are using this retracement tool from top to bottom, we will get a 50% region from where it is getting rejection from upside. This is 0.5 region. It is taking rejection twice here, again here as well. Now there is showing scenario that there is some downside momentum is also possible. Now we don't know exactly where we can go for trade and where we can initiate our trade either for buying or selling. Now when I go on hourly time frame, see on hourly time frame, I have marked a line over here which is appearing as a yellow line. If any candle sustain below this region in hourly time frame, then we can go for gap filling trade till this level. Okay, we don't have to plan furthermore. Till this level we can plan. If we get any breakdown to this level also, then this gap filling can also be done. The maximum downside momentum can be possible is till 38,000 level. If it shows any further downside momentum, then we can discuss over it in the next video. As of now, we can see the downside momentum is still here. Now similarly, if we get any breakout to this region, if we get any breakout candle closing above 39,616, you can see here the price level as well. If any candle closes above this level, then we can manage to go till 40,500 region here, which I have marked as a region. On 15 minutes, you can see clearly how we can initiate our trade. Why I have marked this region is here it made a double top pattern completely and given breakdown to this level. Now it will be acting as a very crucial level to the market to get a rejection over from this region as well. So in the upside, we can plan till 40,500, 400 to 500 level. In the downside, we can plan till 38,000. If we are getting any continuous momentum in the downside, you can initiate your trade based on this. Similarly, if the market is halting over these two region only, above 39,200 and below 39,600, then you don't have to go for any trade over here. This is a top-down analysis of Bank Nifty as of now. You don't have to plan higher trades over here. Similarly, when I go for Nifty, we are on Nifty on weekly time frame. You can see here Nifty is still struggling to touch its all-time high, but Bank Nifty has touched its all-time high, but Nifty hasn't touched its all-time high. The same pattern, it is still continuing in the downside scenario only. Now we can expect the low can be tested, or we can expect that this high that is above 18,000 level can be tested in coming days. Now let's go into the deeper scenario to understand how this trade may act. See, now when I apply fib retracement tool here as well, it is also taking the rejection from downside exact from 38% level, 38.2% level. It is continuously taking rejection from here. It is not able to sustain below this level as of now. That means it is showing some bullish pressure as of now in the Nifty, but we don't know where we can ahead. You can see here from past 3 weeks, it is in this region only. It hasn't went upside, it hasn't fall from here. Now in this week, we can expect where either it can close above this level or it can close below this level. Based on this closing, we can plan our next week trades. So for this week, let's go ahead on daily time frame once. See on daily time frame, again it is showing the bearish scenario only. There is no complete scenario of going for bullish side. As you can see here, market was in clearly upside here, and which higher low got broke down, and it is halting in this region only. Now again, it is taking rejection from this level, the same region as we saw in Bank Nifty. It is again 50% region in the Nifty as well. When I apply fib retracement tool, it is showing the same rejection level of 50%. So we are not in a good place to plan a complete aggressive trade either at the bullish side or bearish side. When we see on weekly time frame, it is showing bullish scenario. When we see on daily time frame, it is showing a bearish scenario. So we should be cautious in planning our trade in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So when I come over here on 1 hour time frame, it is in ascending triangle pattern. You can see here market is, this is our rejection. I mean, we can call this one as a resistance area where it took support over here, over here, over here, and got breakdown. Now it is taking rejection over here. Now it is completely halting in this region only. If we get any closing above this region, then we can initiate our trade and we can head till 18,000 level soon. Or else, if we are getting any breakdown to this region, then our first region will be 16,800 only. If it crosses below this level, then we can plan for further downside momentum. If it stays above 16,800, then you don't have to be aggressive in selling side. At buying side also, when you have to be aggressive, if we get any good closing above this region on hourly time frame, then you can plan for target of 18,000 level. This is a scenario on hourly time frame. When we go on 15 minutes time frame, there is a huge gap pending. It can be filled if this low is taken out. If any candle closes below this level, then we can find a gap filling trade till this level. Consider if tomorrow any gap down happens, then it may take exact support from this level and can boost upside also. So you have to wait 15 to 30 minutes after opening of market to decide whether the trade is going upside or downside. And you have to mark your exact your levels. Key levels means either support or resistance. Based on it, you have to act. In these scenarios, market is showing somewhat volatility, so plan your trade and trade your plan. That's it for today. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.